Hello everyone. So today's topic is conjunctions. What is conjunction? Conjunction is a word which is used to join two words, phrases or sentences. So friends, conjunction is very important to use to make your writings and speakings impressive. Okay, these are very useful for your IELTS writing as well as speaking. So the first conjunction is used to or we can say used to. इनका हम यूज़ करते हैं किसी बात के लिए जो कोई आदत हो, द थिंग विच वी आर डूइंग कॉन्टीन्यूसली. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई यूज्ड टू वर्क विद हर, जो हमने काम किया हो फॉर एज अ हैबिट, ठीक है, रिपीटेडली कोई वर्क किया हो. एंड सेकेंड सेंटेंस इज मारिया यूज्ड टू कम हेयर क्वाइट ऑफन, आई थिंक, ठीक है. सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज ऑल्दो मीन्स हालांकि. It is used in formal situations. The example is, although I was getting late, I still dropped her at her house. The next one is though, which means halanki. It is used in informal situations. The example is, you did a good job, though I still feel that you could have done better. So the next one is even if. Even if means bhale hi. For example, even if you have already bought your ticket, you will still need to wait in queue. If we talk about next one, it is so that. So that means taki. He came here so that he can discuss the plan. The next example is, we went on a holiday so that we can enjoy ourselves. Okay, let's move on towards the next conjunction. It is at least, which means come se come. You can have a cup of coffee at least if you don't want to have lunch. Or we can say, at least you can come in the party if not your family. So the next conjunction is ago or earlier, which is used for time, means pehle. For example, long time ago there was a king. And another example can be, I met her long time ago. Ago and earlier both can be used in some places. For example, 6 months ago, or we can say 6 months earlier. So the next conjunction is as well as. It means साथ ही साथ. Example for this is, he is a dancer as well as a singer. Next is, he will travel by train as well as by air. So the next conjunction is as long as, which means jab tak. For example, as long as you love me, I don't care about others. Next example is, as long as you are honest, everyone will like you. Next conjunction is as much as, which means jitna. I can give you as much money as you need. The next example is, you can eat as much as you want. So these were the conjunctions which will be really helpful for you in IELTS speaking as well as writing. Now let me tell you about a bonus tip, which is power words to make your speaking impressive. These are the words which are used to appreciate and compliment each other or something or someone. The words are, number one is brilliant, then it is wonderful, the next one is amazing, next is fantastic, another one is excellent, then it's great, last but not the least is awesome. I repeat it, it's brilliant, wonderful, amazing, fantastic, excellent, great and awesome. You can use all these words. I know these are very simple words, but you know we don't remember these simple words और हम जोर देते हैं कि हम जो difficult vocabulary है उनको learn करें. But guys, from my personal experience, I want to tell you कि आप बेशक इन सिंपल वर्ड्स को, अगर आपको कोई सिंपल लग रहे हैं तो आप इन्हीं को लर्न करें, इनको यूज़ करें फॉर 1 वीक एंड मतलब 1 वीक मैं इसलिए बोल रही हूँ कि 1 वीक अगर आप इनको देख के लिखोगे, यूज़ करोगे, तो आपको डेफिनेटली आदत पड़ जाएगी इनकी, एंड आगे आप खुद यूज़ करोगे इनको, एंड डेफिनेटली दीज आर गोइंग टू इम्प्रूव योर राइटिंग एज वेल एज स्पीकिंग. So thanks for watching this video. All the very best to all of you. And friends, do let me know in the comment section below if you want more such videos on speaking and writing tips for IELTS. And also do let me know the important topics in which you guys are facing problems. Thank you so much.